Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'm going to talk to you today about bridging over pavements. And this is an example. I'm sure many of you have seen lots of this sort of thing in the past. Quite a substantial load-bearing structure which bridges the pavement to allow storage of materials, or sometimes side cabins up above. And it also allows unhindered access for pedestrians down below. So we've got one project which we're looking at the moment, which demands this sort of structure. It's not cheap, but sometimes it's the only way that you can do things, particularly if you've got limited access at the roadside. And you can't actually store anything at the front of the building. So in this case, it's an existing office building, quite an old office building. It's got about 2 metre wide pedestrian walkway, and we're investigating alternative methods such as this of putting up a pavement gantry so that this will allow pedestrians to walk through, and then also that we can get access to our site as well, which will be in a similar configuration to what's shown here. So we'll also have a scaffold over the top, because we've got works to do to the elevations of the building. So pavement gantry scaffolds generally involve bridging a path or a building opening. They can often be heavy-duty platforms that serve two purposes. One, to act as a protection scaffold for the general public from the ongoing works, and two, to act as a heavy-duty platform to support site welfare or goods and passenger hoists. So we're going to talk to this company and probably a couple of other companies as well about this job which we're looking at the moment. But yes, sometimes you haven't got the convenience of a large site, and you're working with existing restrictions in high street situations with traffic and pedestrian footfall, and you've got to be very careful not to cause any damage to either persons or property. So this is all about protection of the public and the traffic, the roadway, and keeping access open. So that's all for this video at the moment. I'll give you an update on this one in due course. If you are interested in any sort of difficult projects, then you can talk to me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.